Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can make Checkra1n bootable USB using your 3uTools on your Windows PC. Okay, now firstly what you guys to do, you have to go to the official website of 3uTools, 3u.com, and download the latest version of 3uTools, and make sure you install the normal iTunes drivers, everything completely on your system, so you're good to go. But before I go into the video, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, clicking at the red button below, and turn on the notification bell beside it, so anytime we drop a new video you will be notified. Okay, now what you're going to do, you have to get a USB drive of at least 4 GB or 8 GB, and now open the 3uTools application. This is the 3u2 interface because I have my phone connected to it. It's already on an activation lock, bypass with a free tools, and I'll also make a new video about how you can bypass your iCloud with software on your PC after we finish making this video. Okay, so just make sure you turn on the notification to be notified anytime we drop a new video. Now you have to go to the tab where you put Flash and Jailbreak. Now if you are into this interface, what you have to do is that make sure you're here and you see make Checkra1n Jailbreak USB flash drive. Here is where we are going to work with. You have to enter into this place, and now you see this tab which says choose device. That means I've already downloaded the image of the Checkra1n. It's just about 122 MB. But make sure you select, if you have a lot of different kind of USB plugs to your system, make sure you select the right one so that you don't lose the file in your USB drive. So now I'm putting my SanDisk USB 16 gig, and you click on this button, start making, and it will tell you that it's going to format the hard drive to create its own good partition for it to be able to go. Okay, so now you click on yes. Yeah, it's gonna take about several minutes here, so make sure you wait till the end of this. Okay, now congratulations, your jailbreak U disk has been successfully made. Okay, if you want to make another one, you can try to click on this button. If not, you just click close. Now the USB drive is already okay for us to go. Now I'm going to show you how you can boot into it. On my next screen here, I have to reboot my system so that you can see how it works. Okay, see you guys. So now for you to know our Checkra1n is well 100% done on our USB, so I'm gonna show you the way it runs on my PC, and you can jailbreak any iPhone with it. Okay, wait for this to get done. Boom, now we have our Checkra1n on our Windows PC. You can see Checkra1n version beta 0.11.0, and you can jailbreak all your iPhone with it. Thank you very much for watching this video. So next time we will be dropping our new videos about how to bypass iCloud freely on some softwares. So just click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification once we drop our new video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.